ever wondered? AI with healthcare is a wonderful combination, and in this video, we are going to talk about how much it's going to cost to implement AI in the healthcare industry. Let's get started.
The most interesting thing between AI and healthcare as a combined industry is the figures. AI market size in healthcare was valued to be 14.5 billion US dollars in 2023. In 2024, it is evaluated to be $20.9 billion, and it is estimated to reach to a whopping $148.4 billion by 2029. That's a huge growth in terms of growing overall industry of AI and healthcare. Moving to the main agenda of the topic, the cost of AI in healthcare development. Now, there are various factors which influence the cost of AI in any industry, including the healthcare industry. Let's see the factors. Factor number 1, data processing. What level of data and how the data is being processed. Factor number 2, algorithm development. The cost of algorithm development depends on the complexity of the algorithm and the type of data it needs to be processed. Factor number 3, system integration. Because no AI tool is of any use until it is properly integrated in a system. Factor number 4, user interface and user experience. Just a little minor things so that users can interact with the system. Factor number 5, regulatory compliance. Healthcare and AI application needs a bit of more compliance because it is related to health and this incurs its own cost. Factor number 6, testing and deployment. Of course, the standard software development thing. Now let's move towards cost of AI features for patient in healthcare industry. The first one is chatbots and virtual assistants. AI chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant support and manage patient inquiries for everything which is non-medical, and this applies to both offline and online healthcare facilities. The cost of the development would be around $8,000 depending on the type of queries you want to handle. The benefit of this is that it helps patients to get instant answers, appointments, and basic facilities 24/7. The second one in the list is AI-based personalized healthcare recommendation. Basically, AI analyzes patient data and suggests them health plans and facilities and tests which they need to conduct. This would roughly cost from a starting range of $10,000 to $20,000. The benefit of this is improved patient outcome and more precise and effective treatments. And of course, increased patient trust in medical advices. The third one in the list is healthcare symptom checkers. This is interesting. AI symptom checkers helps patients to identify possible conditions based on their symptoms, offering them initial assessment before consulting a doctor. The benefit here is for both the sides. For patient, early diagnosis, reduce unnecessary doctor visits, and better patient awareness about their health conditions. The second part of this is it basically helps doctor to understand a lot of things before even the patient visits them. The starting range of this would start from around 14,000 to 18,000 US dollars. The fourth one in the list is remote monitoring and telehealth. This is basically AI-powered remote monitoring tools to track patient health in real time, enabling continuous healthcare management from their home. Now, the benefit of this is better management of chronic disease, reduced hospital visits, and timely medical interventions. A very basic setup would start from around $12,000. The fifth one in the list is bots for mental health care support. Here, AI bots provide mental health support and therapy, offering accessible and anonymous help for mental health issues. The benefit of this would be accessible mental health, reduced stigma, and continuous support for mental well-being. Now, this can be an extensive facility starting from a range of $12,000 to around $18,000. And based on the complexity, the whole boat can grow up to a huge amount, up to $150,000 based on the complexity. The sixth one in the list is AI-based drug interaction checkers. Now, AI tool checks the potential drug interaction, ensuring patient safety by preventing harmful drug combination. A very interesting feature. The benefit of this is increased patient safety, reduced medication errors, and informed prescription decisions. The rough range of this would start from around $16,000 to $20,000. Coming to the seventh one, personal healthcare records. Here, AI manages and updates personal healthcare records, providing accurate and up-to-date data information. Benefit of this is streamlined information sharing, better coordination among the healthcare providers, and accurate patient records. This is a very basic facility and would start from a range of around $8,000. The eighth one in the list is AI-enabled treatment outcome predictions. Here, artificial intelligence predicts patient outcomes based on the treatment plans, helping doctors to make informed decisions about the patient care. Of course, the benefits of this are improved treatment effectiveness. The basic of this would start from a range of only 10,000 US dollars. The ninth one in the list is voice activated healthcare tracking system. Voice activated systems track patient health metrics, offering them a hands free way to monitor the health. Now, this can be very simple and this can be very complex. The benefit of this is increased accessibility, improved user engagement, and continuous health tracking. And a basic range would start from around $13,000. The second user type in the list is healthcare professionals. The first one in the list is image recognition and diagnostic aids. Now, artificial intelligence analyzes medical images for accurate diagnosis and detections of condition, assisting healthcare professionals in their decision-making process. The benefits of this is, of course, increased diagnosis accuracy, faster processing time, and improved patient outcome. A very basic of this would start from a range of around $10,000. The second one in the list is emotion recognition using artificial intelligence. Here, AI detects patient emotions through facial expressions and voice analysis, helping healthcare professionals to offer better emotional support and care. Of course, the benefits include enhanced patient and provider communication, improved mental health, and personalized treatment. This would come with a variety of costs starting from around $14,000 to around $25,000 for a basic setup. The third one in the list is genetic information processing using AI. Here, AI analyzes genetic data to provide insights into genetic disorders and personalized treatment plan. This would be a huge improvement in an overall system processing genetic data. The benefits of this is tailored treatment plans and early detection of genetic disorders. The basic version of this would start from around $20,000 to around $30,000. The fourth one in the list is AI-based follow-up and patient retention tool. This would be an interesting tool for healthcare facilities to continuously stay in touch with patient and manage the business. Of course, the benefits of this is improved patient retention, timely follow-up, and better health outcomes. A very basic version of this would start from around $8,000 to around $10,000. Coming to the fifth one, cost of AI-driven patient medical history feature. AI consolidates and analyzes patient medical histories, providing comprehensive record that aid treatment decisions. And a very basic version of this would start from around $6,000 to around $8,000. Of course, the benefits include comprehensive patient record, better informed treatment decisions, and streamlined medical history management. The sixth one is AI-driven doctors availability and scheduling tool. This would help a healthcare facility to manage the doctors and the staff very accurately. It of course improves appointment scheduling, reducing waste of time, and enhance patient satisfaction. The rough cost of this would start from around 8,000 to 10,000 US dollars. Now moving to the next user type, that is healthcare administrative staff. The first one is predictive analytics tool. Predictive analytics forecast patient admission and reduce resources need. This of course benefits by efficient resource management, improved planning, and reduced operational cost. A very basic version of this can start from just 6,000 US dollars. The second one in the list is automated billing tool. Here, AI automates the billing process, reducing the errors and speeding up billing cycles. The benefit of this is faster billing cycles, reduced administrative workload, and improved accuracy. And this would cost around 10,000 to 12,000 US dollars. The third one in the list is dynamic resource allocation. Here, AI dynamically allocates resource based on real-time data. The benefit of this is optimized resource use and reduced waste of time and resources. A basic version of this would start from around $12,000 to around $15,000. The fourth one in the list is EHR or EMR system. AI-enhanced electronic health records and electronic medical record system can streamline a lot of data in a very useful way. The benefit of this is it improves data accuracy, provides more accessible data and patient information. A basic version of this would start from around $20,000 to around $25,000. The fifth one in the list is contract analysis and management tool. In this, AI manages and analyzes healthcare contracts, ensuring compliance and reducing legal cost. Of course, the benefits are efficient contract management, reduced legal rates, and improved compliance. A very basic version of this would start from around $10,000 to around $12,000. The sixth one in the list is AI-powered appointment optimization system. Here, AI optimizes appointment scheduling, reducing no-show, and improving patient flow. The benefits include reducing patient no-show, improved patient flow, and enhanced scheduling efficiency. A very basic version of this would start from around $15,000 to around $20,000.
Doctors and AI. I hope you found this video fascinating and the pricing were surprising, right? Have a look at a detailed blog below in the description with way more details. Stay tuned for such informative content. Signing off from Ibiixo Studios, Deep Karia.